My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel English with Malik Sir. In the previous classes, we have discussed very clearly in connection with the formation of noun phrases with the help of articles, possessives, distributives, cardinals, ordinals, quantifiers. Yes, as we know, noun phrases play very important role. Therefore, it is very necessary on the part of students to know about the formation of noun phrases. They are used to ornament or decorate our languages at the time of writing and speaking. Okay. In this segment, I am going to draw your attention towards the use of intensifiers, adjectives, and classifiers for the formation of noun phrase. Okay. Intensifier. Then what do you mean by intensifier? It is used to add strong feeling to the meaning of an adjective or verb or adverb. Yes, so whenever we use intensifiers, definitely they modify the adjective, verb or adverb. So, very, too, much, most, more, many, fully, completely, totally, absolutely, fairly, rather are the intensifiers. In a noun phrase, intensifiers are used to qualify adjectives naturally. See, here we find some examples. Let's see. It was an absolutely wonderful scenery. Yes, here we find an absolutely wonderful scenery is the noun phrase. Yes, and here head noun is scenery, and as we know, article absolutely is the intensifier, and here absolutely qualifies wonderful and wonderful qualifies scenery. Similarly, this is the most exciting match. You see here, the most exciting match is the noun phrase, and head noun is here match, and the most, the article most is the intensifier, exciting is the adjective which has been used before match. Yes, the most exciting match I have ever seen. Okay, now come to the next. I can drink too hot tea. Here we find too hot tea, noun phrase, and here tea is the head noun, too is the intensifier qualifying, and hot is a modifying head noun, that is tea. This is the way how we find too hot tea. Okay, now come, don't set out your journey in so bad weather. Yes, so bad weather. Here this is the noun phrase, and here in this case so is the intensifier, bad adjective, and weather is the head noun. Okay, now come to the next idea. He gave a completely wrong answer. Here we find a completely wrong answer is the noun phrase, head noun, answer, and a article completely. Here intensifier, wrong is the adjective, and answer is the head noun. Now come next, another very interesting idea, that is very. See here, very is used before adjective of positive degree. Yes, but much is used to before the adjectives of comparative degree. How? See, the patient is very good today. Here, very is the intensifier qualified good. Yes, he will be much better. Definitely, much better is the comparative degree. Here, much is used to intensify or qualify, that is better, tomorrow, comparatively. Okay, now come fairly. This is another interesting idea, fairly. is used before adjective or adverb to state positive or pleasant idea. Then how? These questions are fairly easy. Here, easy is the adjective, fairly qualifies easy, fairly easy questions. Okay? Mr. Das' lecture was fairly interesting. Mr. Das' lecture was fairly interesting, fairly qualifies interesting, adjective, and here adjective, and it means fairly interesting lecture. I'm feeling fairly better today. Fairly better expresses positive idea, rather expresses negative or unpleasant idea. We have discussed in the previous classes. Yeah. Then how? It is rather an uncomfortable situation. We cannot write it fairly, but here we have to write rather an uncomfortable situation. Here situation head noun, and rather an uncomfortable situation. This is the noun phrase. His wife is rather older than him. Usually we expect that the wife should be younger than the husband, but here wife is rather older than him. This is unpleasant idea. Rahul is rather stupid. Yes, Rahul is rather stupid. It means he is a stupid boy. Rather expresses negative idea. Okay. Now come to adjectives. It plays very important role in the ornamentation of noun phrase. Adjective is used in different places. Is used attributive position. It means just before head noun. Again, predicative position. It means in the predicate part, but qualifies the noun. Yes, and post positive position in the sense just after noun. These are the positions of adjectives. It is a big chapter. It would be specially focused or subsequent class. But here I have taken just a very interesting factor, the role of adjective in determining the head noun in a noun phrases. Then how? See, here we find a brave fighter. You see here a article, brave adjective, and fighter is the head noun. An ancient city. Ancient is the adjective, and city is the head noun. Similarly, underlined words are adjectives. A cold weather, yes. A round table, okay. A beautiful white horse. Here we have one head noun but two adjectives. Here, beautiful adjective of quality, and white is the adjective of color. Both the adjectives qualify horse and a head noun. So, a beautiful white horse, okay. Ancient Indian culture. Here also the head noun is culture, and ancient adjective, Indian adjective, and here both the adjectives qualify culture. A nice wooden doll. Here we have two adjectives. Here nice quality, wooden material, and head noun is doll. Yes. So here we find the matter that how with the help of different types of adjectives we ornament the noun phrases and express our feelings at the time of speaking and writing properly. Now come to the next idea, that is classifiers. What do you make classifiers? Whenever nouns are used to classify the head nouns in the noun phrases, they are called classifiers. Yes, let's see how. You see here, tea stall. Here, tea noun. Yes, tea noun, stall noun. And here, tea stall is a phrase, noun phrase. And in this phrase, tall is the head noun, yes, and tea is the noun, qualifies tall. Therefore, noun qualifies tall as a classifier. Tea stall, coffee stall, science college. Yes, we can say commerce college, arts college. Yes, music college. Here, science is the classifier of the head noun college. Similarly, city bus, town bus, school bus, office bus. Yes, here city bus, city qualified I mean college, and here city qualifies I mean bus. Polar fan, Khoitan fan, Onida fan. Yes, here we find bookseller. Book is the classifier qualifying the seller. Bookseller, fruit seller, flower seller. Yes, here we find the book, fruit or flower. These are the classifiers because they are the nouns and qualifying the head noun. Again, library book. Yes, library is the classifier. Again, marriage procession, television program, and so on. My dear students, these are very interesting factors. Here in this segment, we have discussed about the importance of intensifiers, adjectives, and classifiers in ornamentation of noun phrases or formation of noun phrases. Yes, expect you must have enjoyed this class. Subscribe the video if you have not subscribed yet. Share and just like it to encourage for other videos. Give your feedback and ask me questions time to time in the feedback section. Thank you for being with me. Wish you a happy day. See you in the next segment. Till then, goodbye.